Alright, so here it is in all their glory, the finished product. Sorry it took me a while to get back to you guys. I kind of skipped a few videos. I didn't film the fenders and any of the lighting and door in the back. But yeah, so here it is. So I guess we'll start in front and we'll make our way back, explain everything I did. So I'll put a picture just for the guys that are tuning in right now and don't know what the hell this is. I'll put a picture of what the trailer looked like before I started. Alright, so the first thing I did was added this jack, 35 bucks or so at Princess Auto. I also added one safety chain because it wasn't there. This was all there. Painted this just to make it look a little bit better. Then you guys saw this all in the previous video. If you didn't, go check it out. I also added clearance lights on the top, red in the back, yellow in the front, and same thing but reflectors on the bottom. Then for the fenders, same as the original fenders, all I did was added this lip here just to make it look a little bit more fancy, and I also put a mud flap in the back. Just bolted that on so this doesn't get all greased up. I'll explain what that bit of metal is in a sec. So the other side is same. So the back, this is the door. Probably if you guys attempt to do this, it's going to be the most complicated part. That or the lighting, depends how much good of an electrician you are. So this is just 3-inch flat stock, 1/8, welded together, made a square. Then this is the latch, by the way, just a regular latch. Simplest thing I could come up with. Then added one on the bottom that doesn't lock. Anyway, back to the door. Then after that, I bolted a piece of 3/4 inch plywood on the inside with rubber to attempt to seal it as much as possible. Made this, just a simple little handle. And these are just barn style hinges that I put on, and I just welded the holes off so you don't see them anymore. And this is important right here. You're gonna want to let it you know, overhang like that, not put it flush, or else your door is just going to be able to open like, you know, perpendicular to the trailer and not you know, the full 100 and whatever degrees. So look, if you, that's what I mean. So this door opens all the way, and you know, this wasn't, that couldn't be too bad, right? You could just leave it open like that, get your shit, whatever. But sometimes it's windy, right? So I added this little latch here, which you just push in like that, and then boom, that's not going anywhere. And I just made that by taking some flat stock steel and just bending it as I needed. And this is actually from a pegboard hook. So that's what it is for the door. I think that explains about everything. Everything's basically just carriage bolts and regular bolts. Then I put this license plate I had with a license plate holder from a Ford Ranger or something like that I had to just left over. Also, license plate light required by law. And these are the original lights that were on the trailer when I bought it. So they're actually like this thick. And I just kind of made a hole with a hole sign, just pushed it in. I don't know if you'll be able to see it there, but if you can see that, wait, let's see if we can put a flash on. No, we can't. Okay, but anyway, trust me, it protrudes quite a bit. This was some wire I had, that's why everything's blue. But there's the wiring going to all the lights up there. All the inside framing is 2x3, and the sheeting on the outside is 7/16 Aspenite. And before you guys say, well, how are you attaching that to the frame of the trailer? Well, it's pretty simple. This lip was coming out from the trailer, so I just tied the whole bottom plate to the cross beams like this, and then every single stud is tied to that plate I just showed you with a carriage bolt all the way down on both sides. So, and that goes right through the steel, so I don't think that's going anywhere. Another thing I should probably point out, I put a drip cap so water doesn't get in, and this lip is for you know, just cosmetics, but I also, I'm gonna try to get you up there, added some caulking here, so water should come down here, go over this, and come down here, so nothing should get underneath this aluminum finish. So yeah, that's basically it. I think everything explained in 5 minutes of a project that took me probably all winter. But yeah, I think it came out good. I mean, it might not be as good as if I would have bought one, but definitely a hell of a lot cheaper. So if you guys like this and would be interested in knowing every single little price that went into this and everything all in all, because I'm not even sure what it cost me right now myself, but I did save all my receipts, so I could get that done if you guys were interested. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, make sure to check out the other videos. I know I didn't put out a lot, but it's hard to film and build at the same time. Kind of takes forever. Anyway, if you guys enjoy this, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys next time.